Hi friends, I'm Cassandra Jones, and today I am back with a very special guest, my sous chef, my daughter, Miss Addison. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Are you hungry?
Mm-hmm.
I think I have the perfect treat for you. Something that's simple and delicious. You wanna help me out? Yes? Okay, I am talking about peanut butter jelly and banana burritos. Perfect recipe from Allrecipes that I think can satisfy all taste buds. You ready to get cooking? All right, let's do this. I think everybody is gonna love these because all it is 5 simple ingredients. What is it, babe? Bananas.
Bananas.
Whole wheat tortillas.
Tortillas.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Jelly.
Jelly.
And honey.
Honey.
We have our tortilla, and now we need to add our peanut butter.
I can do it too.
Yeah, there you go. So can you help me spread out the peanut butter? I'm gonna put it on here and then you can help me spread it out, okay? So you need about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or nut butter, sun butter, whatever you've got handy. That's about 1 tablespoon. That's about 2 tablespoons. Do you wanna help me spread it out?
Yeah.
Smooth it out. Silicone. Next, it calls for apricot jelly, but I know this little sous chef loves strawberry jelly. So we went ahead with strawberry jelly. So we're gonna take the jelly and just plop it right on top. Can you smooth that out for me? There you go, just smooth it out. There you go. That looks beautiful. So, so beautiful. So tasty, so beautiful. Okay, put the spoon down. Next, we add our banana. You ready? Can you help me add the banana, please? Take the banana and plop it right in the center.
Plop it?
Plop it, bloop. There you go. And then the cherry on top, a little drizzle of honey. So then you just drizzle the honey right on top. Ooh, does that look delicious? Fold it in half. And then we can kind of roll it up. And you can just kind of fold it in half like that. Some of the gooey stuff is sticking out. Take a knife, slice it right up. Does that look delicious? Woo! Here, you wanna try some? A little bite. But that's a quick, simple snack that is nutritious and also delicious. And we hope to see you next time. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.